Hello dear SAP colleagues and SAP friends. In today's video I would like to show you how you can create a user in SAP, and this would be a very short video now because it's actually pretty easy. And then in the next video I would show you how you can create a row and then add this row to the specific user that we'll create now, or to a specific user, and then be able to execute specific transaction, for instance. Okay, so if you want to create a user, you need a transaction SU01. Then you have to type the user, and in this case I would just like to type something like Z, then test user, and then just click on this white sheet of paper. And then now it is in German, but you understand what actually it is meant by these fields, I hope. First of all, we have Mr., or actually it can be Mr. or Mrs., you know, but it will be Mr. The second name would be Testmann. The first name would be Testmann. This is the academic title, if there is such one. It can be a doctor, for instance. Let's make this Dr. Testmann. And the language would be, let's go German or Deutsch. And here you can add the function of this person, the department which he's coming from, the room number, the floor, telephone number, fax, email, and other stuff. Email is actually pretty much very important, because from time to time you need, or telephone, but both of them are actually, in my opinion, very important, because you gotta be able to find the person, right, in sort of in at least one way. Okay. And now actually the next thing is to generate a password, password, exactly, and this happens from this button here. You generate it, and the first generated password is here, is popping up here. Then you can click, you should save this one, you can click on this one, Ctrl+C, then save this password, or just directly give it to the person who would use this user. And the thing is, now you can save this. I would now open a TXT file. Okay, not this one, but let's say a new one. A new TXT file. Okay, this is not that easy. So let's open a TXT file. There is a TXT file. Hope you see it. I'm not going to change the name now, just open it, just paste the password, which is the so-called initial password. We can copy now the specific password, and now you can go and open one system, or this system once again, so that we can log on with this user. The user was called Testmann, I think. And now the specific, okay, this wasn't our user, sorry for this. Let's see, test user, not Testmann, test user was the name, test user, and the specific password. And as you can see, now we have to give here to provide the new password, and actually 2 times. The reason for this is because this complex password that we generated, this is the so-called initial password, and you give it to the user that is going to log on into the system with this user for the first time, to use this user, and he has to choose his or her password as once again, respectively, so that you don't know the password, right? And this can be, for instance, we can just type now here A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And once again, A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 as well. And we are in. So this was all for today, guys. In the next video, which would come maybe tomorrow, I would like to show you how you can create, how we can create, or you can create a row with, so to say, specific rights on the system. For instance, a right to execute a transaction. If I now try to execute a transaction SEAD here, the ABAP workbench, what we'll see here in the bottom, now you're not able to see it, but I'll show you in a second. Here in the bottom, you will see that there is no authorization for this transaction, right? Just a second, I'll show you this. Here, there is no authorization for this transaction. So tomorrow we will add a new row to this user with specific authorizations, and we would be able to execute this transaction. So I hope you enjoyed these videos. I hope they are helpful for you. If this is the case, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button of the video, and write some comments if you wish to see something very specific or something which you need. Wish you all the best, stay healthy, and till next time, friends. Goodbye.